Welcome! If you're looking to change your username on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to make it happen easily. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Roblox app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give those a tap to open the menu. Next, scroll down until you see the Settings option. Select that to dive into your account configurations. From there, you'll need to tap on Account Info. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for the pencil and paper icon next to your current username. Go ahead and tap on that icon to start the process of changing your username. This is your chance to be creative, so think of a new name that represents you. When you've decided on your new username, type it in along with your current Roblox password for verification. Remember, this step is important to confirm your identity and keep your account secure. Here comes the final step. To complete the change, you'll need to pay a fee of 1,000 Robux. If you don't have enough Robux in your account right now, don't worry, you can easily purchase more to cover the cost. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll have a fresh new username in no time. Enjoy your new identity in the Roblox universe. Happy gaming!